everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Kate and I make videos about fashion, interiors, being a mum, my lifestyle, all of that kind of thing, a bit of cleaning and organising. So if you like the sound of that kind of thing, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. Come and join us, it's completely free, you just have to press the button down there. And if you want to be notified when a new video goes live, all you have to do is click the notification bell. If you hear a little tap dancing sound, it's my dog walking across the floor. I can't really stop her. Hopefully she'll lay down and relax in a minute, but she likes to do a little bit of tap dancing. So today's video is going to be my top 8 tip, tricks and hacks to make those mundane, boring, like adult jobs and things that we just have to do every day that little bit more interesting and fun. Let's face it, as adults, we all have to do things that we maybe would rather not, or that we just find a bit monotonous every single day. I know I do. I'm not a natural tidy and clean person. I actually have to really work at it. So I'm gonna jump straight into it. I really hope you enjoy it. Let's go. So one of the jobs I find the most boring ever is folding washing. Does anyone enjoy folding washing? I don't know. So I like to take this time to actually put a TV show on or listen to a podcast or an audiobook or something whilst I fold the washing, because I figure it has to be done. I'm not wasting my time just by watching a program and doing nothing. I'm doing something productive, but I'm making it enjoyable for me at the same time. So even if the kids are at home and maybe they've got control of the TV, which let's face it, is 99% of the time, I can just like pop a podcast on and actually enjoy like 15 minutes, 10 minutes even most of the time, to fold the washing, put that all away and listen to something I enjoy. And again, a very similar thing is whilst I am cleaning the house and doing jobs in the kitchen, unloading the dishwasher, loading it, which is another job I don't really like, I listen to music. Let's face it, normally musical soundtracks, because that's my kind of thing, and I actually really enjoy it. I sing away, and by the end of it I've got a clean kitchen or a clean house, and I've just had like a really nice chilled out time listening to my favourite musical. So I find it actually becomes quite a therapeutic, relaxing job to do. One way I like to really motivate myself to clean and organise when I'm just not feeling it is to actually go and watch other people's cleaning videos. So there are hundreds, probably thousands of speed cleaning, motivational cleaning videos on YouTube. I have done a fair few myself, so if you feel like watching any for motivation, I will again link them in the description box below for you. And I definitely find after watching someone clean their house or organise a room or a cupboard, I'm like, right, I want to do this now. It is so amazing how it can change your mindset. Another tip is to decorate for the seasons. I really love doing this and it really inspires me to keep my home looking nice. For example, we're in autumn now. I haven't gone too crazy. I might do some more Halloween bits as we get closer to the time. But I've put out some like autumnal decor and some candles that remind me of autumn, and it just makes me look forward to cleaning and then sitting back and enjoying like the nice smells and the way it all kind of looks. Obviously it's harder to do this at certain points of the year, but even in summer I like to put different flowers out and different candles that again remind me of like spring and summer. And then obviously around Christmas time, that's a no-brainer, it's easy to decorate for that season. But I really find this is a great motivator, and also I know that I can pop out every, you know, few months and maybe get another new bit of decor for that season that's coming up. And I put it all away, keep it in a box. So I've just got my autumn one out, and it's just something nice to look forward to. A bit of a psychological like trick to get you to be clean and organised so you're ready to make your home look nice for that season. Along a similar line to that is to do the things that you know are good for your body. For example, being healthy, trying to make that more enjoyable for yourself as well. So I really don't like drinking water. I know that sounds terrible because we need to drink water, it's a necessity, but I just don't like the taste, or the no taste, I guess it would be. But I've found since drinking sparkling water that I've completely changed. So I would always mix some juice or something in with water. Don't tell anybody. But for quite a long time now, I'd say coming up to 2 years, I've been drinking sparkling water, and that's helped me so much to get more water in me. There's no evidence that it's any worse for you than regular water. I guess some people could find that it bloats them a bit, so that's the only downside. I don't generally find that, but I just feel like it's a fizzy drink I'm drinking now. So I very rarely have like a lemonade or anything like that. And I don't really drink that much juice, so I tend to stick to a cup of tea every now and again, and maybe a coffee and sparkling water mainly, and that has really changed things for me so much. And also along with that, I find that vitamins and supplements along with a healthy balanced lifestyle is what I should be doing as well, but I've always really struggled to take vitamins that are very large. Like, I don't like swallowing them, and it just seems like such a chore every single day. Which is why I was so excited to see that Bassett's Vitamins do the soft and chewy multivitamins for adults. These are the raspberry and pomegranate flavour, and my kids have had like the soft chewy multivitamins. Well, Archie's had them for years, Elliot's only just turned 3, so he's just started having them. And I've obviously tried them before because I've tried everything my kids have tried, and they taste so good. Yeah, they're good for them. So I love the fact that I can now have one of these every morning. Tastes really nice, but I'm getting my vitamins as well. They contain vitamin A, vitamin B2, B6, B12, C, D and E. So I just think this is absolutely amazing. I think they do have these in some more flavours, but raspberry and pomegranate is really nice. This is the perfect example of how I've turned something that would have been a really like horrible chore that I have to do every day, and like swallowing a vitamin, into something that I actually enjoy. Bassett's Vitamins aren't just for kids, they're for adults as well. So if you want to find out more information about them, where you can get them, I'll leave a link in the description box below. My next tip is, if you really do need to get a space organised, you're opening a cupboard every time and stuff's falling out on top of you and you know you need to tackle it, but you don't even feel like opening the door to have the kind of avalanche fall on you, is to start with somewhere small. So I always find that if I organise one drawer, then it will motivate me to want to go and clean another area or organise another area of my house. But even if you don't, and you just kind of spend 10 minutes, you set a timer and do one drawer, you'll have accomplished something and you'll feel more motivated, more productive and proud of yourself. So I would definitely say I find mornings the hardest part of the day. It's very easy to say jump up and make your bed straight away, but again, like, some people just don't feel motivated to do that. Although I definitely would say I feel so much better on the days when I wake up, make the bed, and you feel like you've accomplished something, the first job of the day is done, and then that really sets the tone for the rest of the day. My suggestion for the little jobs that you have to do each day, like self-care or just things in general around the house, is to use products that you really enjoy using and look forward to using. So it could be anything from, for example, I have an electric toothbrush, which I've noticed so much of a difference in my teeth since I've been using it over the last few years. And sometimes it's even just the little things, like looking forward to making a cup of tea in the morning in your favourite mug, or using a really nice moisturiser before you put your makeup on, or even having your clothes laid out the night before so you know you don't have that job to worry about. You know you've got your outfit sorted and it's not going to be like a 5-10 minute decision that it's taking up your time in the morning. It sounds like all little things, but they all really add up. And then even cleaning wise, I love to use products that I love the scent of, like rhubarb scented cleaner. We absolutely love in our house. We have the Method non-toxic one, and I always look forward to using that. And little cleaning and cooking gadgets that just make the job easier. I've done some videos about my favourite Amazon buys in the past, so I'll link them in the description box below if you want to go and check those out, because I found some really great gadgets and I'm going to do another one of those soon. But yeah, anything that just helps make it that little bit easier is going to make your day run more smoothly and be more enjoyable. My next tip, if you live in a house where there are more than one of you, your partner, your kids, then cleaning and tidying is not your sole responsibility, it's the responsibility of everyone in the house. So trying to make that fun and enjoyable for all of you can be something that really works. So with the kids, for example, obviously, I know some of you guys have babies, not as easy, but even when they're toddlers, you can teach them to help you tidy up their things by making it into a game. So it could be that they've got like their blocks everywhere and you ask them to have a race with you to get them all back in the box, see who can do it the fastest. Or if you have, maybe that you have siblings that are a little bit older, they can race against each other. Sometimes this doesn't end up too well, when one of them wins, one of them doesn't. But sometimes if they're in the right mood, it can be fun. You can get them to race against you and then they win and you lose, and you know the drill if you have more than one kid, I'm sure. And then with your partner as well, obviously everyone's partner's different. I'm really lucky Ricky is really helpful and hands-on with the cleaning, but sometimes I think it's nice to just make it into a bit of a game. We can set a timer for 10 minutes and see how much we can clean in one room in that amount of time, or even set a timer and challenge each other, like to, I don't know, a vacuum cleaning race or something like that, just to make those jobs that you, like I said, really don't want to do more fun. So there we go, those are my tips and tricks to get those boring adult life jobs done and actually enjoy them in the process. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a little comment below if you did, or you want to ask any questions or chat. I will try and respond to as many of you as I can. If you did enjoy it, then please give this video a big thumbs up. As I said, I will leave the link to the Battett's Vitamins website in the description box below, so you can go and check that out, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye guys!